Hello everyone, my name is Anupam and welcome back to another video on the topic of trigonometry. In last video, we have discussed about we have solved the question how to convert degree to radian, right? In this video, we will cover how we can convert radian to degree, right? Just to remind you that we are first covering all the topic that the frustrated and the hurry people need to know, and then we will discuss whatever the remaining in very detail and deep. So considering that in last video we have covered exercise 3.1 question number 1, now we will cover exercise 3.1 question number 2, right? So here you see, find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure, right? I have already written that if you want to convert radian to degree, then you have to use this formula. So how we can do this? Suppose we have to solve 11 by 16. So let me just open, here we have given 11 by 6. So this is in radian, right? This is, I think I should write this like this. Yeah, so we have 11 by 16. I hope this is correct. Let me just check. Yeah, sorry, not 6, 16. 11 by 16. Okay, so 11 by 16 radian. Now we have to convert this in degree. Okay, so we have to find this x. So what we can do, 11 by 16 radian into 180 degree by pi. Okay, now we can say that we can divide this 16 with 2. 8 2 ja 16, 90 2 ja 180, 4 2 ja 8, 45 2 ja 90. So we are left with 11 by 4 into 45 by, and we have to keep in mind that to solve this exercise we have to take value 22 by 7 for pi. So it will be 22 by 7. So can we write this statement like 11 by 4 into 45 by 22, and this 7 will move to up into 7. Okay, so here we can do this. So we are left with 45 into 7 by 8, that is equal to 7 5 ja 35, 3 28 plus 3 31, and here 8. Okay, so 315 divided by 8, right? 8 3 ja 24, 7 5, 8 9 ja 72, then 3. Okay, so we get 39 here, so 39 degree, and then we are left with 3 by 8. 39 into 3 by 8. So now we will not write this 3 by 8, and we will convert this 3 by 8 degree into minutes. Okay, so here let me just clear this. So now we have 39 degree and 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 radian, right? Sorry, 8 by 3 degree. So 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, right? So we can say that is we are left with 8 by 3. Am I correct? Yeah, correct. 3 by 8. Sorry, 3 by 8 into 60. 8 7 ja 56. So no, let me just clear this and write it well. We have 3 by 8. It means here we will take 3 by 8. 3 by 8 into 60. So that is equal to 180 by 8. So 180 by 8. 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. Then we will left with 4. So this is 22 minutes. 22 minutes. Then we have 4 by 8 minute, and if we will multiply with 60 we will get seconds, right? So it will be 240 by 8. So 248, 24 cross 0, 30. So it will be 30 seconds. So the answer is 39 minute 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. Let's check our answer. 39, 22, 30. So exercise 3.1, question number 1. Okay, so here we have 39, 22, 30, right? 39, 22, 30. Now the second question, here we have the second question, -4. So actually I'm not solving here because we don't have much space here and we required a good amount of space to calculate everything. So we are using this. Yeah. So now we have -4. Okay. -4 into 180 by 22 by 7 means that is equal to pi. So we can say that what we can do here, 18 4 ja 72. Okay, so it will be 720 minus 720 by 22 and here into 7, right? So 720 into 7, 0 14 50 40. Okay, we have to divide this with 22. 22 2 ja 44 and 6 64. So again 2 44 0 and 2. So now 200. So we can 9 no 9 8 176, that is 4, and when we take this is 9 2 and 9 we can do with 9 also, I think 9. Yeah, we can do it with 9. We can divide this with 9. So here 9 2 is 18, 9 2 is 18 plus 1 19. We are left with 2. So you see 2 to 9, that is in minus degree, and 2 by 22 degree. So we can multiply this with 60. Then we will left with 120 by 22. So 120 by 22. So we can 25 is 100. Okay, so if we do with 5, we will get then 10. Okay, so 5 minute. Then we have 10 by 20. Let me just clear the extra. Here everything is extra. Sorry, what was the 10 by 22? Yeah, 10 by 22. 10 by 22 into 60. So this 10 by 20 is in minutes. Okay, so it will be 600 by 20, that is equal to 30 seconds. Let's see, 2295 30. 229 527. Something is wrong. We need to check. Okay, 229 530, 2295, and in last we did something wrong, 10 by 20, right? So it will be 600 by 22. That was 22 actually, by 22. Let me just check, just a second. That was 10 by 22, I think. What you say? 10 by 22, yeah. So it was 10 by 22 into 60, that is equal to 600 by 22, and 22, so 7 ja. Okay, so it will be 300 by 11, right? So 300 by 11. So 300 by 11, 2 ja 22, then 80, 7 ja 77, and we will get 3, so we get 27. 229 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Okay, so this is the answer. Hopefully you understand this. And next question. Yeah, this is very simple. 5 pi by 3. When we get pi with us, then we can just cross it. 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. So 5 by 3 into 22 by 7, the pi value of pi, into 180 by 22 by 7, right? So we can write this as a 5 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 180 by 22, and this 7 will move up, so into 7. So 7 7 22 22, 3 63 ja 180. So what here in bottom everything is cancelled, 5, so the answer will be 600 degree. Let's see if we have 300. Here we have 300, right? So now we have the another question. 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Let's solve here. 7 pi by 6 into 180 by pi. Why we are writing 180 by 2? So if you want to convert radian to degree, then you have to multiply with this. And what is the logic behind that, we will talk later. Okay. In this video, we are only trying to solve the exercise. So 7 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 180 by 22 into 7. So we here what we did, we just move this 7 to up. Okay, so let me just clear this. 22 into 7, 7 7 cross 22 22, 6 3 ja 30 ja 180, so 270. Okay, 7 3 ja 7 3 ja 21. Okay, so 21 degree is answer. 21, yeah, we have the 21. Okay, so we have done with the question number 2. We will solve the question number 3 4 5 in next video. So for this video we have completed. See you in next video. Bye bye, happy learning.